Hey YouTube, just doing a random video here. Just faced this problem and I found a solution. So if you ever face this problem, like uh, if you try to run this JFrame, but and the JFrame opens, like I need to open, I need to run this. I need to run this JFrame at the startup, but another JFrame that is which I have placed to open after the login form as opened this success frame. uh, this frame, so I want my login form to page to start up, but when I play this, run this, and the class opens up and the frame opens up here. So just if you ever face this problem, you need to solve it by, it's a simple fix. Just go on properties of the package and go on the run. Then here is the main class, browse and click on the desired startup form you want. Select main class and click OK. So when you run this, your startup form opens up and sign it and the form opens up. So this is a simple fix if you ever face this problem.